Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a gluten-free sweetbread. You guys have been requesting a lot of gluten-free desserts and here is another one for you. So to make this, I'm going in with the Bob's Red Mill gluten-free flour. If you can't find this brand, feel free to use any brand of gluten-free flour you can find. Next, I'm going in with some coconut flour, and this coconut flour really brings together this sweetbread, seeing that the other important component is also coconut. Next, I'm going to go in with some salt, some baking powder. Now, I forgot to put the nutmeg and the cinnamon in this step, so make sure and add that in. Next, I'm going in with some xanthan gum, which will help bind or hold this sweetbread together, and some sugar. Now I used white sugar, you can use brown if you like. I'm just giving that a mix, and now I'm going in with the fruits. So here I have my candied mixed peel, my sweetened flaked coconut, or you can use fresh coconut, and raisins. Toss. Next, I'm going in with 1 egg and some melted butter. Next, I'm going in with some whole milk, and I'm going to mix this together until it comes together. Now I'm going to add in the nutmeg and the cinnamon because I actually forgot to put that when I was mixing the dry ingredients. So just make sure you can put that in when you do the dry ingredients. So I'm just adding both the nutmeg and the cinnamon in at this point, and then I'll just mix to make sure it's properly incorporated. Once it's properly mixed in, your mixture must look like this. It goes into your greased loaf pan. Finish with topping it with some more of that candied mixed peel and a sprinkling of sugar. Now if you didn't want to add the additional sugar, you don't have to, you can omit it. This goes into your oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes to 1 hour until when you put a skewer through it, it comes out clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it and let me know if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!